Hey guys, William Murphy here, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video on the Cougar. The Cougar hasn't shown its face for a while, and I was just doing some bits and pieces and noticed underneath the car a very unfortunate sight. Damn. Anyway, have a look at this. I've never seen this sort of thing before. Nails in tyres, screws in tyres I've seen, typically in the tread, but check this out. So we go underneath. Have you ever seen a screw in the sidewall of a tyre like that? Anyway, unfortunately, it is leaking. This tyre's not particularly old. That won't be repairable. So I'm gonna need a new tyre. Very, very annoying. One of the fronts is going down as well. That's going down. That one there, I burst the tyre a couple of years ago at my brother's house, and I reversed over a brick wall, and it went psh, caught it on the Ring doorbell as well, which is very annoying. Anyway, so I'm going to do a new tyre there, new tyre at the front. Is it time to get these wheels reconditioned? The other thing I found was once I was under here, a bit of a rattle. When you grab the rear splitter, it isn't very tight. When you look under here, you've got this bracket. So I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to nut and bolt this because that's going to hold it tight. That will remove that knock. The rear corners of the bumper, again, not held down with anything. I want to go to this side of the car. The same thing over there, nothing to hold it down. The exhaust is a little bit corroded in the joints and where it mounts to the... not so bad that side, I don't think. But this side here, it's pretty corroded on the mounts. So as and when these give it the ghost, I'm going to upgrade the exhaust and go for a slightly aftermarket system. Not supposed to be working on my own stuff today. I'm supposed to be doing other things, but needs must. So I'm going to nut and bolt that, put a connector in the other ones, and start sulking about the tyre. Never rains, it pours. Anyway, let's get this sorted. Right, the centre of that is out, and the rest that's now out as well. So I've got a selection of Allen key bolts, washers, and nuts. So that's the next thing. Stick a bolt through. You're probably looking maybe 8mm, possibly. So Allen key I thought would be easier. It looks a bit smarter as well, hidden behind that mount. And yeah, that'll just hold everything nice and tight. Look much better. And use a nylock nut as well so it doesn't come undone. That's first piece of the puzzle done with a new Allen key. And you can see now, solid, which is great. Got this piece down here to do, that piece down there to do, and then the bumper should be done. There is an awful lot of, you can see, dirt and stuff, and dust in there, which isn't nice. Yuck. But that would involve taking the whole rear panel off and trying to clean it out for it just to get muddy again. Damn. Alright, there we have it. We've got new clips in here, so everything now is much more solid together and one. So still got a bit of a rattle from all the stuff in the back of there, but it's not likely to come undone, which is great. If these clips fail, they will be nut and bolted like these ones here. So yeah, new tyre. I need to look at my options here. Do I go and get another set of wheels with good quality tyres, because I know these ones here, they're corroded around the edges. They've had rim protectors fitted with silicone, which is pretty minging. I've got curbing on them. They don't stay clean for very long. They're lovely when they're clean, and they're a nice gloss black. They're a 19-inch. Do I just get a different set of wheels just to keep me going? Tyres are probably about 160-ish each. Or do I go on the internet and order a cheap and cheerful set of 4 tyres, which will see me through probably the remainder of the life of this car with me. I'm not planning on selling anytime soon, but cheap and cheerful tyres could be the ticket. I don't know. I need to look at my options and go from there. Anyway, nice little fix on the car. Gutted about the tyres. I need to look at my options, as I say. Is it a case of new tyres? Is it a case of just fit the tyres and leave the wheels as they are? Refurbish the wheels so they're nice and fresh? Get a different set of wheels? Who knows? Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Just a little one, just to keep us going, and all being well, I'll be back soon with more mini content and other content. So thank you very much for watching. If you have enjoyed, hit that thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. Thank you very much, and I will see you guys next time. Take it easy. Well, that didn't last very long, did it? One day. Space saver is on. Oh dear. Nice.